I had no idea what I was getting into, and for the first time, I felt real fear. I felt it everywhere. It was suffocating me. I couldn't let anything happen to this.
We're in position, Victor. Give me the signal if you notice anything suspicious.
There's Liz! James, I can see her!
Okay, Victor. It's gonna be okay. Just stay calm. Where are your men?
Somewhere behind me. Someone's coming. An officer. I guess it's Cuba.
We meet again. How nice.
Set the prisoners free!
Come. First we should talk about our deal. Should we not?
Let the prisoners go!
For sure, Mr. Troshka, for sure. But I think you should talk to them first. Just to verify, you know, their well-being. I won't disturb you.